sort of misconception, this misapprehension or this misconstrued nature neurotypical individuals have of individuals. And Panpsychism has this philosophy of consciousness existing on an infinitesimal level. Right, those are things you were born with. It's ingrained in you. So you have no control over that. No perseverance if you take a hold. It's a conglomeration of subliminal, supraliminal, hyperliminal, hypnosis, neurolinguistic. You can't explain these things theoretically unless you're an expert in search engine optimization. Existence and authenticity and all that stuff, and certain ideas of solipsism that have momentum. Why does sound have momentum? What is the distinction? What is the disparity? A narrative in a universe that's sound. What is amplitude, frequency, velocity? Why do we hear octave? But that's just from a physics perspective. Like precognition, premonition, clairvoyance, retrocognition, lucid dream, extrasensory perception. Trajectory that occurs. We can cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary areas.